This is Luke with Digital Trends. We're here at CES 2019 checking out a very cool announcement from Alienware and Dell. This is the Alienware 55-inch OLED monitor. What you're seeing here is the first to market OLED gaming monitor by Alienware, and it's super exciting to see this finally come to living rooms, bringing PC gaming to living rooms in a brand new way. And obviously with the OLED, you can see it from the picture there, the blacks are just incredible, and the colors that you get are just unlike anything you can get on a traditional LCD screen. And getting to bring that to the living room for PC gaming is something that I think all gamers have been waiting for a long time. So some of the features you're looking at here are some of the things you want to see in a gaming monitor. It is 4K, it's 120 Hertz variable refresh rate, and those are some of the things you want to see that distinguish this monitor from a traditional TV that you would have in your living room. This monitor is made specifically for games, and the OLED itself, that technology gives you that super fast response time that gamers are looking for in fast-paced situations. So those are some of the things that you can expect from a gaming-specific monitor that you put in your living room. And of course, this isn't the only monitor we've seen like this, even at CES. NVIDIA is showing off a lot of the big format gaming displays. This is not technically one of those as of now, but this does have the OLED panel. That's new, and that's the only thing we've seen of that technology here at CES so far. So like I said, this is not a big format gaming display yet. Alienware will start working on some of the adaptive sync technology and how some of that certification works, but you can expect that adaptive sync technology to work with this monitor, so you can expect you're not going to get any screen tearing, you're not going to get anything that makes the gameplay not as perfect as you want it with an awesome big display like this. So one other thing to note about this monitor is it's using Alienware's brand new design language, and what you're seeing is a little more of a minimalist style to it. It has the lighting on the back, but it's nothing flashy. It will sync up with games and kind of give the back of your wall a glow, which will be really cool in a game situation in your living room. So two big unknowns still here with this Alienware monitor. It looks great, the OLED technology is there. We don't have a firm release date yet or a price. We do know for sure though that this is a real product that is coming out this year. Alienware says that it's shipping this year, so it's something that you're actually going to be able to go out and buy. We don't know that price yet, but we can't wait to test it out further and see how this thing holds up in real gaming situations.